Good day, ma'am. I'm Kidarl Simindis, basic team to Section 1. My topic is identify the three types of business strategies. First is marketing strategy. A marketing strategy is a carefully crafted plan that outlines how a business will attract, engage, and retain its target audience to achieve organizational goals. It's involved identifying the target market, understanding customers' needs, and positioning the company's products or services to stand out from competitors. The strategy includes selecting appropriate marketing channels such as social media, email, or traditional advertising and leveraging them to deliver compelling value proposition by setting measurable objectives such as increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or boost sales. Businesses can track the success of their marketing effort. A strong marketing strategy ensures efficient use of resources, enhance customer loyalty, and drive sustainability growth. Second is financial strategy. A financial strategy is a comprehensive plan designed to manage a company financial resources effectively to achieve its short-term and long-term objectives. It involves discussion related to capital investment, funding, cost management, and profit allocation to ensure the business remain financially stable and competitive. A sound financial strategy includes budgeting, forecasting, managing and equity, and ensure efficient cash flow to meet operational needs while supporting growth in initiatives. By aligning finance planning with overall business goals, this strategy helps optimize resources allocation, reduce risk, and maximize returns for stockholders. Third is operational strategy. Operational strategy refers to the plan of approach that an organization uses to achieve its long-term business goals through effective management of its day-to-day activities and resources. It focuses on improving the efficiency and effectiveness of the company operations such as production, supply chain management, technology, and human resources. An operational strategy aligns with the overall business strategy and outlines the action and processes needed to deliver value to customers, optimize costs, and achieve a competitive advantage. Key elements often include resources allocation, process improvement, and performance measurement. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.